Basic algebra. There are 8 apples and 7 oranges on the table. What is the total number of fruits on the table?
15, ma'am.
The answer is correct. But, how did you get the answer? You added 8 and 7. You would write this as 8 plus 7. You could also write the same thing as number of apples plus number of oranges. Or lazily, as y plus o, where y stands for the number of apples, and o stands for the number of oranges. But why y and o? Why not x and y? So, let us say, x plus y, where x is the number of apples, and y is the number of oranges. This is the beginning of algebra. Mathematical quantities expressed as alphabetical letters are called variables. In our example, y, o, x and y are all variables. An expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operations. While 8 plus 7 is an arithmetic expression, y plus o and x plus y are algebraic expressions. Now, let us look at why we use algebra. Reason number 1 is to solve a more general set of problems. The total number of fruits is y plus o, no matter what the actual number of apples and oranges are. Reason number 2 is to understand the relationship between the different quantities. In our example, the total number of fruits is the sum of the number of apples and the number of oranges. This is expressed in the algebraic answer, y plus o, but not in the direct arithmetic answer, 15. Reason number 3 is to solve trickier problems by working with unknowns. Let us look at an example. If we are given that number of oranges is 2, but instead of the number of apples, we are given that twice the number of apples is 2 more than 3 times the number of oranges. Such a problem cannot be solved with direct arithmetic operations, but can be solved with simple algebra. We use the variables y and o and write down the given information in algebraic form. O is directly given as 2. But y is unknown. We have to find its value from the other algebraic statement given. We note that this statement has o mentioned, and since we know o is 2, we substitute 2 for the value of o, and get 2y is 2 plus 3 times 2. This simplifies to 2y is 8. If 2y is 8, then half of 2y must be half of 8, which means y must be 4. So, y, the number of apples, is 4. Two mathematical expressions connected by equality is called equation. In this example, we have worked with equations. By performing the same operation on both sides of an equation, we produce a new equation, which is just as true. In this case, we multiplied both sides of our equation by half. We must choose the operations such that the unknown is isolated on one side the equation. Since there is 2y, and we know that 2 multiplied by half would give us 1, we multiplied the equation by half. This process of finding the value of a variable from an equation is called solving the equation for the variable. Let us look at some examples. Look at the given equation. Terms containing x are on both sides of the equation. To remove the 3x term from the right-hand side, we subtract 3x from both sides. This produces 3x minus 4 is equal to 5. Next, since we want x and only x on the left, we remove the minus 4 on the left-hand side by adding 4 to both sides of the equation. This leaves us with 3x is equal to 9. To get x from 3x, we divide both sides by 3. This gives x is equal to 3, which is the solution. Example 2. Terms containing x are on both sides of the equation. To remove the minus x by 4 term from the right-hand side, we add x by 4 to both sides. This produces x by 2 is equal to 7. Next, since we want x and only x on the left, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. This leaves us with x is equal to 14, which is the solution. Hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe. Enjoy learning and have fun.